Checklist is done, the engine's running. Now it's time to move. This is the taxi out, from the ramp to the runway. Pilot eases the throttle forward just a touch. A little power, and the airplane begins to roll. Steering down here isn't with the wheel, it's with the feet, using the rudder pedals to nudge the nose left and right.
Taxiing is slow on purpose. We steer with our feet.
To the side, a private jet sits parked on the ramp. Big and small, every airplane shares the same taxiways. Pilot keeps the speed to a slow walk, following the yellow center line that guides every airplane toward the runway. Along the way, a few more checks, flight instruments alive and reading correctly as we turn. Ahead, the runway comes into view. The pilot pauses to make sure the sky and the approach are clear.
One more radio call, and we are cleared to go.
Up and ready. Next stop, full power and the takeoff roll. Aviation lab. Dream, learn, fly.